Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about strawberries, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with strawberries. So if you're looking for something a little different to do, maybe some recipe or meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, and this includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beef, cashews, chicken, fish, hazelnuts, and nuts in general, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, pork, tofu, in particular silken tofu, and walnuts. In the way of vegetables that go well with strawberries, there's arugula, bell peppers, cucumbers, fennel, greens as in salad greens, rhubarb, spinach, and tomatoes. In the way of other fruits that go well with strawberries, there's apples, apricots, bananas, other berries of all sorts, coconuts, figs, grapefruit, guava, kiwi, lemon, lime, mangoes, melons in general, nectarines, oranges, passion fruit, peaches, pears, pineapple, and watermelon. In the way of grains and grain products, there is graham crackers, oats, and oatmeal. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there is buttermilk, cheese in general, all sorts of cheeses, cream, cream cheese, creme fraiche, mascarpone, milk, and that includes dairy milk and non-dairy, sour cream, whipped cream, of course, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's agave nectar, caramel, champagne, chocolate, honey, liqueurs, maple syrup, oil, as in olive oil in particular, rum, sugar, especially brown sugar and confectioner's sugar, and vinegar, especially balsamic and red wine vinegars, and wine. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.